Hi everyone. So everyone wants to know that is China a villain to spread coronavirus or is actually the victim of coronavirus? So we all know that in China, the new cases of this flu started coming by mid-November, but the rest of the world had no idea about this virus till January, or you can say last of December, right? So China didn't tell us that there is human to human transmission. China said it has originated from the market or fish or animal market, and we will shut it down, and the virus will disappear. So they said there is no human to human transmission till 7th of January. Though they had many cases, they said we just have 40 cases and there is no human to human transmission. But by 20th of January, they had 400 cases of coronavirus. And the most surprising thing was that they had 400 cases of coronavirus by 20th of January. Even then, they allowed 5 million people during Chinese New Year to go to other countries without even screening. Those 5 million people have acted as a carrier, or they have spread the virus to the rest of the world like Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea during the Chinese New Year. So that should have been stopped right on the time. So we can say that the 95% of the cases, or of the we could have prevented the 95% of the pandemic by stopping it right then. China didn't allow the information to go to the required organizations so that they could take the right step on the right time. China stopped the early whistleblowers. We know Dr. What we call him, very famous ophthalmologist, Dr. Lee. They didn't allow him to speak. There were multiple bloggers who were blogging about the coronavirus. There were many professors who wanted to say about the coronavirus. They silenced each and everyone. There were few doctors who just disappeared who wanted to say about the coronavirus. So Chinese government has done something very unexpected during the coronavirus. It is said that the a very famous lady called as Batwoman, she has done research on coronavirus for 16 years. Like there are different type of coronaviruses. She has done the research and she was very much scared that I think that this virus has spread from the lab to the people. There is possibility, it was the possibility. So they have studied the genome of coronavirus by 27th of December, but the government said don't let it out. They just asked them to destroy the samples or destroy the information on the genome. They didn't allow the world to know about the information, but she was a little relieved that this is a new virus. So in a way, आप बोल सकते हो कि ये ही एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है कि वायरस नया था, तो ये इस पॉसिबिलिटी को रूल आउट कर देता है कि उन्होंने ये नया वायरस तैयार किया था फॉर बायो टेररिज्म. बट the possibility of spread of this virus through the lab is definitely there, क्योंकि सार्स के टाइम पे भी एविडेंस है कि इनकी वायरोलॉजी लैब्स इतनी सेफ नहीं है, और वहाँ से थ्रू गार्बेज और यूरिन और समथिंग जहाँ से उसका स्प्रेड हुआ है वायरस का, सो उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी को हम नहीं हटा सकते, राइट? सो आई वुड से दैट देर आर मल्टीपल पॉइंट्स जिसमें अगर चाइना सही टाइम पे एक्ट करता तो 95% लोगों को हम बचा सकते थे सही टाइम पे एक्ट करके. दे वी कैनॉट डिनाई दैट हाँ नेचुरल स्प्रेड भी हो सकता है, बट लैब से भी स्प्रेड हो सकता है. सो प्लस चाइना ने कुछ ऐसे डिसीजंस लिए जिसमें उसने बहुत सारे लोगों को रोका कि वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ना दें, तो वो भी एक तरह से चाइना उसमें गिल्टी है. सो वी कैनॉट से दैट चाइना इज़ नॉट गिल्टी. डेफिनेटली चाइना वॉज अ विक्टिम, बट चाइना इज़ गिल्टी एज वेल, राइट? थैंक यू.